981 broadcasting alarm of fire. Sedan box 2111, 27 Arlington Street. Located between Arlington Terrace and Lawrence Street. Deputy engine 6, 7, 8, ladder 5, squad 1. Single phone call from the PD.
Okay, strike a fifth alarm. 99 car 20 on a fifth alarm.
21.
Give me a third alarm.
Receive car 21, third alarm.
We got two buildings fully involved. One 2.5-story wood frame. Second is a 2-story wood fire exit to a third building.
Receive 21. You have two buildings involved. 2.5-story wood frame, 2-story wood frame, spreading to a third building. 39 and 44, head to Bennington Street. 39, you're going to feed 44 and protect the exposure on Bennington.
21 to 91. Give me a fourth alarm. I have the two additional buildings going on. Bennington. Give me the gas company and the electric company.
Receive 21. You got a fourth alarm, two additional buildings going on Saratoga. Calling the gas company, electric company.
911 calls for possible structure fire.
608 Broadway detail to 21. Heavy smoke in the air.
Ronnie, you're going to work at Fire 1 Broadway.
Receive 21, work and fire.
Ronnie, have PD shut down Broadway and shut down Canal.
99, you want Broadway shut down, Canal Street shut down. 20, your respondent to work and fire in a 6-story building.
21, give me a second alarm.
Receive 21, second alarm for 1 Broadway. 39, direct to the fire and a second alarm.
We've got a couple of explosions going now. And we got another pump available at the central.
99, but doors available. Broadcasting alarm of firebox 453 Parkin Spruce. Deputy engine 57, ladder 5 in a rescue. 37 came on the air and called for the box.
That last part of the message again.
37 came on the air and called for the box for Parkin Spruce.
2199. Thanks.
9137, do you have a code?
So we have a heavy fire on the first porch. We just about got it knocked down now. I don't think it's gone into the house.
91 to 21, did you receive that?
No.
They had heavy fire in the front porch. They knocked most of it down. They don't believe it got into the house.
Attention, Engine 9, Ladder 4, Squad 1, Car 21. South Union and Winthrop Ave. For the vehicle accident, possible extrication. Receive 21, another pump. 6, take a response. South Union and Winthrop Ave. MVA with entrapment, you're going to be the extra pump. That's engine 6, South Union and Winthrop Ave to assist units on scene. Extrication. D45, you're responding. You're going to be working with Squad 1 with the Jaws.
Ladies and gentlemen of the Lawrence Fire Department,
Before I begin my final radio test, I want to thank each and every member of this department that I've ever worked with or who came and went before me and paved the way. It's an absolute honor and privilege to have worked beside you over the past 32 years. Especially my brother Rini and lifelong friend Graham as we begin this journey together, and now my nephew Ryan, who I finish up with today as my captain. My family for all their sacrifices over the years of not having me around on many holidays, birthdays, special events, because being at the station. Linda, Cam, Rory, Alyssa, Eric, Chelsea, and Paul, your support means the world to me. Lucas, Maverick, and baby number 3 on the way. Today means more time for Mimi and Dadu to spend with you. I love you all to the moon and back. Last but not least, 93-year-old retired Lawrence Fire Lieutenant Jackie O'Hooley, whose impression and kindness to me on my first of many visits to Ladder 9 on Bailey Street back in 1975 when I was 8 years old inspired me to want to become a firefighter. And now, 50 years since that meeting, the dream has been fulfilled. May God bless you all, keep you safe, healthy, and happy. Listening radio station KAR 981 Lawrence Fire Department, operating on a frequency of 154.445 megahertz by the authority of the Federal Communications Commission, Coming Car 21.
Allow a firefighting box 242 Lawrence and Maple for a reported address of 183 Chestnut Street. Deputy have Andover and Methuen Pumps and Lower Ladder. This is a single phone call reported fire at a 4-story building. 5 to 981. Come in 35. Badge number 88 signing off for the last time after 32 years. Received badge number 88 firefighter Ron LaValle signing off for the final time after 32 years of service to the city of Lawrence. It's been a pleasure to work with you for my 28 years. Enjoy a long, healthy, and happy retirement. And happy birthday to your wife, Linda.